Assalamualaikum. My name is Sunny. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today you are going to learn linking words. These linking words can be helpful for essay writing, CSS, PMS essay writing. It can be helpful for you if you are writing any kind of report, and if you are writing emails, then these words will be helpful for you. And you can use these words instead of using old words. Like I'm showing some special linking words. You may observe these are important linking words you can use for report, essays, and emails, like describing similarities. If you are describing any kind of similarity, then you will say likewise, correspondingly, instead of using the word similarity or using similarities, etc. So these are more effective and more attractive words. Correspondingly, equally, not only but also, in the same way, similarly. Comparing and contrasting. अगर आप किसी चीज़ को बयान करें, उसको कंपेयर करें, कंट्रास्ट करें, तो उसके लिए आप क्या वर्ड यूज़ कर सकते हैं? उसके लिए आप कह सकते हैं, ठीक है, अल्टरनेटिवली, however, conversely, on the other hand, instead, yet, on the contrary. शोइंग काज एंड इफ़ेक्ट, किसी चीज़ का काज और इफ़ेक्ट बयान करना है, ठीक है, वजह या उसका असर, तो उसके लिए आप कहेंगे consequently, as a result, thus, because, therefore, accordingly, this suggests that, it follows that, for this reason, hence, never, hence, why, since, try to avoid, as when showing cause and effect, showing limitation or contradiction. For showing limitation or contradiction, you can use despite, in spite of, while, not wills. Even so, on the contrary, nevertheless, and although admittedly. Stay connected and enjoy learning. Do not forget to subscribe and share your point of view in comment section. I've provided my contact number right here. You may contact me for CSS PMS exams preparation. Allah Hafiz.